Good morning, students. In the yesterday class, we have discussed about various birth control methods. So once again, you have to know about the various types of birth control methods. Then I will continue. So see, birth control methods. Birth control methods. Okay, birth control methods in humans divided into two types. First one is known as temporary method. First one is known as temporary method. Temporary method. Okay. Also known as it is reversible method. And second one is known as the permanent method. Permanent method. Okay. Temporary method further classified into 6 types, and permanent method further classified into 2 types only. So let us see the 6 types of temporary methods of birth control. So first one is known as natural method. Natural method. Okay. Second one is known as physical or barrier method. Physical or barrier method. Okay. Barrier method. Third one is known as the chemical method. Chemical method. Fourth one is known as, you can say, oral pills. Oral pills. Fifth one is known as IUDs, intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices. Okay, also known as IUDs. And last one is known as injection or implants. So injection or implants. So how many types of temporary methods of birth control? So total 6 types. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. And how many types of permanent method? So it is only 2 types. First one is known as vasectomy. First one is known as vasectomy. It done in the human males. Okay. And second one is known as tubectomy. Tubectomy. It is done in the human females. So first of all, we have to draw the flow chart of various birth control methods on your note. Okay, or you can say textbook. See. So how many types of birth control methods? There are 2 types of birth control methods. First one is known as temporary method, which is also known as reversible method. And second one is known as permanent method, that is also known as irreversible method. It is called temporary because when it is used, it works. When it is not used, it will not work. But the permanent method also known as irreversible method because when one time is done, it works permanently. It cannot change. Okay. Now natural method further classified into 3 types. Okay. First one is known as periodic abstinence. It already explained yesterday. Second one is known as coitus interruption, and third one is known as lactational amenorrhea. So let us see detail of natural method first. Natural method of birth control. It is the first type of temporary method of birth control. Natural method. It is further classified into 3 types. First one is known as the periodic abstinence. Periodic abstinence. And periodic abstinence. Okay. Also known as rhythm method. Rhythm method. Okay. Second one is known as coitus interruption. Coitus interruption. Second one is known as coitus interruption, also known as withdrawal method. Withdrawal method. Withdrawal method. And third one is known as lactational amenorrhea. Lactational amenorrhea. Amenorrhea. Now let us see detail of natural method. Why it is called natural method? Because in this method there is no use of any medicine, any device used by the male and female to prevent the birth control. It depends on the desire of the male and female. Okay, so first one is known as periodic abstinence. You know, menstrual cycle varies from the day first to 28th day of menstrual cycle. You can say 28 to 29th day of menstrual cycle, and you already know the mid of the month is the most favorable day for the ovulation in case of human female. But in some females, the chances of ovulation takes place before the menstrual cycle and before the ovulation or after the ovulation. Suppose that before the ovulation the day is 10, and after the ovulation, after the 14th day 17. So these days is known as the fertile period in case of human females. In these days, fertile period. In these days, the chances of ovulation is more and more. So when in these days there is no transfer of semen, or you can say sperm within the female's body, there is no fertilization and no implantation. As a result, birth can control. So once again, in this method, the male partner avoid transfer of semen into the vagina of the female from the day 10 to 17th day of menstrual cycle. Why only 10 to 17? Because these days are more favorable for the ovulation. Okay, so when in these days there is no transfer of semen within the female's body, the chances of fertilization and implantation is nil. So birth can control. Okay, let us see second one, coitus interruption, also known as withdrawal method. In this method, the male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina of the female just before ejaculation, or you can say insemination. Okay, suppose that mating takes place between male and female, but in this method the male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina of the female just before ejaculation, so there is no transfer of semen within the female's body and no fertilization, as a result no implantation. Okay, let us see third one, lactational amenorrhea. During intense lactation means what? When the mammary gland releases more amount of milk just after childbirth, the hormones responsible for ovulation like estrogen not working properly, or you can say stops. Secretion of these hormones stops. As a result, up to 6 months, the secretion of estrogen, that means you can say the hormones responsible for ovulation stops just after childbirth up to 6 months. On these days, when transfer of semen takes place within the female's body, the chances of implantation is nil. You can say chances of fertilization is nil and birth can control. So this is the 3 types of natural method of birth control. Come to the next, physical method, also known as barrier method. This is the second type of temporary method of birth control. Second one is known as physical barrier method. Physical, also known as barrier method. In this method, the various devices that made up of metal or plastic or both. In this method, the various devices that made up of either plastic or metal or both used by male and females to prevent fertilization and implantation. And the examples are various. The examples of devices are condoms. It is made up of latex or rubber sheath. It is used by the human male to prevent insemination during coitus or mating. Next, the females condoms, also known as Demido. It is used by the females to prevent the fertilization. Next is cervical care. It is made up of metal. Cervical care. It is used by the human females in the cervix region to prevent insemination. And cords. It is also used by the female to prevent insemination. So these are the devices used by the male and females to prevent fertilization and implantation. So this is also known as physical or barrier methods. Okay. Out of 4 condoms used by male and hemidones, cervical care and pools used by females to prevent birth or you can say fertilization and implantation. Let us see third type, that is also known as the chemical method. Chemical method. In this method, the various chemical method. In this method, various jellies, creams, and spermicides are the chemical that kills the sperms. So it's known as spermicides. In this method, various jellies, creams, foams, okay, and spermicides used by the female and male to prevent fertilization and implantation. When these jellies are used, so sperm cannot transfer within the female's body. Okay, and when spermicides used, sperm will kill and there is no fertilization. Let us see chemical method. Next one is oral pills. Oral pills. Fourth one, oral pills. In this method, various tablets used by the females to prevent ovulation. Okay, and the most important oral pills made by CDRI Lucknow. CDRI stands for Central Drug Research Institute. CDRI Lucknow prepared a oral pill that is known as Saheli. It is the best and Saheli has very less side effect. So it is most widely used. Saheli made by CDRI Lucknow. It is an example of oral pills. When these pills used by the female, ovulation stops. When there is no ovulation, there is no fertilization and finally no implantation. Okay, let us see fifth one. That is known as IUDs. IUD stands for intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices. Why the name is intrauterine? Intra means within. Uterine means uterus. That means in this method, various devices used into the uterus of the female to prevent fertilization and implantation. Okay, it is for the 3 types. First one is known as non-medicated. Example is Lipelu. It is used by the female into the uterus. It helps to phagocytosis of the sperm. Lipelu. Second one is known as copper releasing. Example is copper tea and multi-load 375. Multi-load 375. These devices suppress the motility of the sperm. As a result, the sperm is unable to reach to the oviduct and there is no fertilization. Once again, non-medicated. In case of non-medicated devices, it helps to phagocytosis of the sperm. That means the sperm is ingested, so there is no fertilization. Example is Lipelu. Copper releasing. In this method, when these devices used in the female's body into the uterus, these devices suppress or you can say stops the motility of the sperm. As a result, the sperm unable to reach into the oviduct. As a result, there is no fertilization and no implantation. Come to the next and last is the intrauterine device that is known as hormone releasing. releasing. And examples are LNG20 and progesterone. These devices makes unsuitable uterus for implantation. When these devices used, the uterus become unsuitable for implantation. As a result, there is no development of the new young bone within the female's body, because uterus only is responsible for implantation. When uterus is unsuitable, so there is no implantation. As a result, there is no development of the new young bone within the female's body. So this is all about the intrauterine devices, also known as IUDs. Okay, and last one, that is known as injection or implants. When you want to control birth about 3 to 4 years, so this method used, that is known as injection or implants. Injection or implants. In this method, the injection of progesterone or combination of estrogen and progesterone given to the under skin of the female to prevent implantation, or you can say to prevent ovulation after up to 3 to 4 years. So in this method, injection that contains the liquid that is progesterone or combination of estrogen and progesterone under the skin of female, and this combination prevents the ovulation. As a result, there is no implantation and birth can control. So this is all about the temporary methods of birth control. So total how many types? 6 types. First one is known as natural method, second one is known as physical or barrier method, third one is known as chemical method, fourth one oral pills, fifth one IUDs, and sixth and last, that is injection or implants. This method used to control the birth about 3 to 4 years. Okay. Come to the next, permanent method of birth control. Permanent method, again I have already explained, there are 2 types of permanent method. First one is known as permanent method, also known as surgical method, also known as irreversible method of birth control. First one is known as vasectomy. In this method, a part of vas deferens tied up, it is done in the males, and in case of tubectomy, in this method, a part of oviduct is tied up to prevent ovulation. It is done in human females. Okay, so what you will do in case of vasectomy? In this method, it is done in the human males. In this method, a part of vas deferens cut and tied up to transfer of sperms into the oviduct. Okay, and what you will do in case of tubectomy? It occurs in the human female. It takes place in the human female. In this method, a part of oviduct cut and tied up by making incision. As a result, there is no transfer of ovum in the fallopian tube and there is no ovulation. So this is all about the various methods of birth control. In the next video, I will explain. In the next class, I will explain the different. I will explain about assisted reproductive technology, that is also known as ART. So this is your homework. Please read from NCERT book this topic. Tomorrow class I will explain assisted reproductive technologies, also known as ART. So this is all about various types of birth control methods. Thank you.